Hello, how are you? Today we're going to be looking at how to send money from India to Canada through HDFC Bank. This process is simple. We'll go to our browser and search for Western Union India. We'll go in, and on the page, well, this is what we'll see. I recommend you register before continuing, and once you've registered, you'll click on Send Money, this button right here. We'll select Canada and then click Continue. Here, we'll set the amount we want to send. It can be this amount, or it could be more or less. And here we'll see how much the recipient in Canada will get. Here we'll choose how the person will receive the money. And here we'll choose how we'll pay for this transfer. In this case, we'll select this option so that later, when we continue, the HDFC Bank option appears. And we'll choose this here. Then click Continue until we complete sending the money. If this video helped you, please comment and subscribe.